Hi, I am Krish Alok Jain from mining department. My roll number is 21MI10031, and today for my DIY project, I am going to disassemble this treadmill. So let's start. So before disassembling, I will just show you once by starting it. Okay. As you can see, there is an LED display on the screen which shows the time, the distance, the calories you burned. You can also incline this machine as per your convenience. It shows in which speed you are running, and it also shows your pulse rate. So I will just start this machine. So now it is running at a speed of 1 kilometer per hour. I can increase the speed at 4. So you can see that the speed is increasing of the machine. It is a totally functioning treadmill. For now, I will just stop it. So let's just first learn about the body of the treadmill. It has an LED display which I already showed you. It has an aluminium body because it has carried a person's weight, and aluminium gives the durability to the treadmill, its whole body. Now this is a treadmill belt. It is a tube-like belt. The above is made of rubber and the beneath is made of cotton and polyester. Now, sometimes how do we keep the belt centers? Here are two big screws here. We use this hex key, and if we want to move the belt this side, then we tighten the screw here, and if we want to move the belt this side, we tighten the screw here, this side. So I will just start disassembling the machine. So this is how an inside of a treadmill looks like. We have power plugged here, we have an inverter, and we have two kind of motors, an AC motor and an incline motor, and we have a drive belt here. So this inverter have a power of 1.1 kilovolt, and this is a thermal gum which is used when the motor heats up very much. It helps in it. Now this inverter is connected with both of these. This incline motor helps when we have to incline the treadmill as per our convenience, as showed before. And now generally the position of this incline motor should be in between because it keeps the balance. So, and now generally there are two types of motor in a treadmill, DC motor and AC motor. But DC motor, it is a very high maintenance, but AC motor doesn't have brushes and it is of low maintenance and is generally used when you want to keep the treadmill for a long time, for a long lifespan. Now with the help of AC motor, this wheel moves, which in turn moves this drive belt, and when this drive belt moves, this treadmill belt moves too. So this is how a total treadmill works. This AC motor have a 4,800 revolutions per minute at its maximum thing. It can move 4,800 revolutions per minute, and it also have a 2.5 horsepower. Now we have two rollers here, one roller here and one roller at that end. These rollers are a major part of this treadmill because it helps in the revolution process. So now let's see how this machine totally works when the treadmill is started. I will just start the machine again. Okay, so this machine is moving at a speed of 1 kilometer per hour right now. You can see that these wheels are moving, and due to these wheels moving, this drive belt is moving, through which this belt is moving. And now if we increase the speed, you can see that the wheel is starting moving fast. It is making more revolutions per minute than before, and it can go to maximum speed of 12 kilometers per hour, at which it will make 4,008 revolutions per minute. You can see how fast it is moving. I will just stop it again. So I will just show you the inclination too. So now, right now it is at 0 inclination. I will just go at 4. You can see the increase in the belt. It is very little, but if you look closely at it, you can see it can go at a maximum 12 inclination. See, the machine is moving up. See, it is at a 12 inclination right now. You can see the gap between the machine and the ground has increased. The inclination helps when the machine is inclined. There are more calories burned when you walk on an inclined machine, and this is all the work of this inclination motor. I will just stop it again. Now I've decreased the inclination, and you can see that the machine is going down again. I will just again assemble the machine. I have again assembled the whole machine. Now let's just see if it's still working. I will just start it again. As you can see, it's still working perfectly at every single speed. I have just increased the speed and it's still working. So that was all for this DIY project. Thank you.